Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And today, this is part 3. This will be a very short video.
Wait, I'm going to do something very quickly.
I'm restarting the video after one attempt.
I'm going to ask Kyle if you can come, okay? Wait with Humphrey.
Humphrey! Hello dude. Hello dude, 1212. Humphrey! Hoya! Hoya! Voila!
You're trying to do apple cruelty.
Yes.
It's the law.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Apple cruelty is against the law. Throw it in there. Hashtag idiots.
Yes, it's right
idiot.
here.
Put down hashtag idiots if you think he's an idiot.
No, not. Guys, yeah, the try not to laugh challenge will be working. But yeah, the try not to laugh challenge will be in progress. You just thrown it. Okay, I don't know why. But yeah. Yes. Yes, that's really good. Yes, some professionalism there. Yeah, guys, this will be a short video. What is that noise? It sounds like a Southwest train. Ah! That doesn't sound like a Southwest train.
Hashtag Arthur support Arsenal.
Okay.
Hashtag PSG if you like PSG.
Ah!
What the hell?
Okay, I don't know what is going on with these dudes.
I know you're being an idiot.
No one's being an idiot. Hello, Humphrey. What are you doing?
He smells something. Do you not know? Hey, look it, camera.
Camera, focus, camera. You're distracting this moment. Camera, focus.
Why did he put the camera in his box?
I don't know. Let's fly. Okay. Yeah, this is building. Look at this guy thing. Oh, it's a hammer. I found a hammer. I don't know what to do with it, so let's just put it down. Hello there, guys. Hello, guys. Hello. Yeah. Digestives. Digestives. Oh, I need some water. That was really good, that water. Yeah, guys. I don't know what to do. I don't have anything to build. But in the last video and the other video, I had one thing, at least. Yep. Look at this water here. Who needs water like this? Yeah, no part 4, guys. No part 4. Yes, guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget. And don't forget to like and subscribe and slap that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!